my chef control. Yep, I think that's perfect. So let's begin this thing. Man. Oh my god. What in the world just happened there? No. Sorry about that. Yeah. Anyway, let's do this and we only have like what 14 minutes to 12 p.m. PST. So let's do a quick rundown so we can do what position ourselves. So I've decided to go with a white candle, or what is this? Yes, white candle for bulls and black candles for sales, right? For bears. So yep, we'll see how this goes. I feel like this is good. I don't know why my computer is doing that. So let me see. Okay, this is the monthly. I really do think that um today I don't think we'll get up here unless nah, I don't think so. So I'm expecting to see a weak formation, kind of like what we have here. See how it got up here and then the body is closing over here. So I'm thinking today we might see something of the sort, and you can see every day. And this is pretty much what I trade, right? That just that small decline, or when we're going up, that small decline. When we're coming down, that incline to the upside. So today I'm suspecting there's gonna be a decline. So let's look for some levels to see where we can. Yo, my computer is hanging. So we do have some levels from yesterday, so I'm not gonna stay here for so long. Um, this is this looks like an old weekly high. So in terms of the monthly, the only other level I see is the previous month and this open price here, which is at the same level with this one. So that should give us some sort of resistance, but that's too far. Today's Friday, so and we only have like two 2 hours 10 minutes of active market and pretty much 1 hour to go for some real action. After 1 p.m., the market starts to slow down. Yes, we can see some volatility, but ideally, and looking from the past, the market starts to slow down after 1 p.m. So let's go to the monthly, weekly. Let's go to the weekly time frame because we do have a level here that we are reaching for. So I'm thinking this is what is going to be reached for today, and then we'll see a decline. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more level this week right here, the half of it. That should also give us some sort of support and resistance right there. So we're going to have it there in case we keep on going up, then we know what else they might be going for. We don't really know what they're going for, but you know, just trying as much as possible not to be blind in these markets. So I think that that's a good level enough, and we're gonna call it a weekly week. Oh, come on, text, yo, weekly WCK EQ. That will just let me know that it's a week, right? John Wick. It's a week on the weekly time frame, and that's the half point of it. And you can just call it whatever you want. So whoa, I know we named it. Oh come on. Weekly WCK EQ, and I want it to the right side. There we go. So if not, then we do have this old weekly high level here just before that monthly rejection block, right? So that's just easy old weekly high, OWH, old weekly high. So this is for me to see when I go to the lowest time frame where there's too many candles. Even if we're going up, coming down, I can still see that this is where we're coming to. So looking at this, if I was trading from here, then I'm like, I think this is where we are coming to. So even when I see this decline, I still know in the back of my head that this is probably a level that they should be coming to. You can see we did come down. The price came down, and now it's walking our way. And I do believe that this is where we might see a turnaround for this afternoon, and then a decline where we can take advantage of that and make some moolah for the day. So all that was in the monthly, weekly pool right there. So if I get rid of everything, there's nothing so far. Keeping our charts organized. Now, if we do start declining, I'll just look for another target on the lower time frame. But this open price here is a good spot right there, where this market open, shut down, and now we're crossing it. Then it makes sense for them to come down, find some support, and maybe keep going up or crash down. But by the time we're getting down here, it should have, that's like what, 74 points. If I go down to a lower time frame, what does 74 points look like? Let me see. Let's say we took this trade right here. Beautiful. We took that liquidity up there, broke a low. Yo, my guy. Let's see. Oh, it's now just 12, so I should be out of here. No, we have some time. So 74 points looks like that is too much right there. 74. See? That's enough for me. So weekly, I think we're done. So by the time we get in here, which is marked actually, oh no, it's not. It's at a level that I want. Let me just have it in red, and I'll have it as the weekly, weekly open, weekly old open. Let me just have it that way, but that's just for testing purposes. I believe there's going to be something. So daily, let's check out the daily. Yes, this is an old weekly high, and it's also now an old daily high, which makes it even a better target. And then we can see that we did have this imbalance. So I think I have those marked, and it's funny that we now have another imbalance. So what we do is, let's use this one, which is just gonna do it's just a small adjustment, and then just bring it here, right there. We do have another daily imbalance, and I don't know why that one is in pink, and right there. So on our way coming down, we do have that weekly old open or this imbalance. I do favor that imbalance a little bit some more than this, so not worrying about that because we do have another daily imbalance right there. So for now, I think we're going to be getting to this level. The next in terms of the daily is way up here, so we're not worrying about that too much, and I need those levels to be locked. Anything all weekly high, monthly rejection block, beautiful. You can see it's the last up candle before this decline, so we can just call it like a daily order block, right? And that is what we're going to do. Daily bearish order block instead of having it as a monthly rejection, which is still the same. And actually, let's just do this monthly rejection block. We can just have it as, let me just have it as, no, yo, it's only 5 minutes to 12 and we're still here. So so this is what I'm looking for. We come here, up here. If they want to come to that half point, it's okay. We'll just be, if this one fails, then we can wait to see if we can work with this one. If that fails, then we just take a loss, right? We do have a beautiful loss management, and we can only see a maximum of 1.75 unless I start misbehaving, which is something I'm really looking towards, not doing. Even if I go so far, then 4% is the maximum that I can take, right? Which is too much to lose, because Yeah, 4%. It means, yeah, with only risking one. Anyway, we'll see. So let's go to the 4 hour. And I do like that this is kind of well balanced. There's no inefficiency on a 4 hour. Wow, up until like this small gap, and I think that's marked. Yes, it is. So let's take this run of time just a little bit, though I don't think today we'll be getting down there. So there's no inefficiency. So when we start coming down, this is a walk in the park on a 4 hour time frame basis, but we are too bullish. So monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish. This is the next spot that I think we are coming for, that old daily high slash old weekly high. Looking at the 1 hour, I think I'm content. I'm good. This is the daily imbalance right there. This one over here, and that level starts from this candle. So looking at the 1 hour, I think I'm okay. There's no imbalance going this way up until way down here. Ooh. So can we see like a huge drop today on Friday? Because we do have that thank God it's Friday thing, right? Because the whole week we've been going up. So can we see a decline today? What date was Monday? Today's 24, so the Monday was 20th, which is 14th, 19th, 20, which is right here. So we just went up. So today we might see a decline of at least 30% of this daily range, right? So the whole candle, we can see a decline of at least 30%. But let's see how that goes. So the 1 hour, I'm good. I think this is where we're coming to. We already have that marked. 30 minutes, fair value gap. And if this one closes, then we do have a second fair value gap, which is a high probability. Having seen that we filled this fast fair value gap, even I would have loved if we crossed a high. Then this one becomes a high probability where we can come in and shoot up. I I like to trade that concept, that the second fair value gap after the first one has been filled. But yeah, if it's in my entry criteria, which I've talked about over and over. So this was supposed to hold, didn't hold on the 15 minute. That's an fair value gap that's now turned to an inverted fair value gap. You can see we are finding some sort of support from that zone right there. Now the next thing, let's just shoot down to the 5 minute, and I'll pull up my indicator right here. Just shows me the previous 4 hour. Note that one. We'll still need that one, but later. This one, that will show me the previous 4 hours, which lets me know when it's time to buy or time to sell, because I'm just a scalper. I'm not following these markets where they're going or where they're coming from. I just want to go in, get my 1:2, and I'm out. So if they want to go and touch the sky, I'll leave a runner in there in case, because those runners sometimes can be truly magical. And there we go. I don't have to mark all of this, but this is enough. So I would like to see us come here, take the high, and then keep going down. The other thing we can see is we're still bullish, but we can see a decline to this area, and then we can see it come back. So we'll be waiting for either of those to happen, and then we will engage. And let's get rid of that indicator. We have those boxes drawn. So this is a good time for selling, but seeing that we have some area which in the past I've seen it likes, drawing to those levels, all daily highs, old weekly highs, especially the way it's so near. Then I'm thinking that is an area we are coming to, right? Again, the white candles are bulls and the red candles are bears, right? So I think that's it. So now we wait. Now on a lower time frame, this is a level to wait for, to we can aim. Another level is the 4 hour low. The other level is this one right here, which is now a confirmed zone. So let's turn that to black. So those are areas we'll be looking for, and then we can see that we have this down candle before going up. So we do find an entry, then that, see how they are two together. So the first one is gonna be like a very nice area of a target. Like the market will flawlessly get there before, you know, turning around or something. But we'll see how that goes. So for now, I think I can have it as, I can have it marked, but we can worry about that in. But for now, let me just have it marked, because that's the last 5 minute up candle right there, and that should be our goal for a short. So we should be able to get at least 1:2 by the time we get here. So it's now 12 something. I'm not really worried. 12, yo, what time am I in? 12 p.m. UTC -8. What is going on? Should be 1 p.m. Will be 1 p.m. is way over here. Okay. Anyway, so the next thing we do. Wait, is the market closed? Really? It's 12 p.m. We still have one more hour. I didn't know they were closing early today. Oh, come on. This is from capital.com, and it's dead. Nothing's going on. Capital.com, nothing. 11:57. So they've closed at 12. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, and why is there no music? Where did my music go? Oh, let me just. Okay, honestly, guys, I thought that. So, no trading today. The market is closed. Let's check out, because the broker is 8 cup. 8 cup times today. Oh, understand. 8 cup trading hours. Let's see. September 15th, September 12th. Okay, so what does that mean? Oh boy. Trading times today. Yo, where's my music, my guy? Okay, we'll have to fix that music thing, because I can't see where they've updated. But let's see. FTMO has a nice way to update, guys, and they pretty much all do the same thing. 23rd November. Today's 24th. Trading update for the 23rd. How about the 20? Okay, close early at 8:15 p.m. What would that be? Okay. Okay. So FTMO, I think, is UTC plus 3, so plus 2, I believe. So 8:15. So UTC plus 2. Somewhere, anywhere. Any. Zurich. Okay. So guys, okay. I think yesterday's holiday maybe has extended to today, but it's all good. It's all good. Otherwise, if the market will be moving right now, this, let's say, this is what I would have expected for us to keep on trading up, take out that high, and then we start coming down, and that will be the first place. That will be me just taking some profits. And I believe, let's say my entry was over here, which pretty much the market will do the same thing. If that is 1:2, that's 1:2 over there. Sometimes I can hold when I do have such a level, which is a little bit too obvious, or just take out a huge chunk and then leave a runner, take something off over there. This is something that I've really noted on the 5 minute. Whenever it starts, like the last down candle before it shoots up, gives you an entry, you can hold pretty much up to right there. If they keep on going down, then the next area is this candle. The next one is this one, and right here will be the last spot. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna close this stream over here, and I'll see you guys on Monday. So do have a good weekend. I am embarking on a project. Wait, this is not even 4 hours actually. If you think about it, oh yeah, it is 4 hours. I want to put together this strategy because I know it's somewhat, actually it's super easy for me, right? Because it's just something that I've seen work over and over and over. After doing so many tests, after trying out so many ways, this is simply what I have come to. Looking at the previous 4 hour, trading the 12 to 1 p.m. candle PST only, and there's just so much. So I think I'm gonna share that strategy in depth to anybody who shows what interest, right? So I'm gonna be forming a Discord group. It's gonna be free, right? Wait, for now. So the early bird gets the free one, and I can share this strategy with you guys. And it's something I believe that can be applied in any time, but wait for the 4 hour to close and wait for the trade formation to form after the 4 hour, right? So that was Trader Mavera, and I'm out. Could have engaged some music, but I don't know what happened. I just reduced the music and it's no longer working. That's iPhone 12. What is this? Anyway, Trader Mavera, and I'm out, and I'll see you on Monday. Please, if you see this and you're interested, please leave a comment. I'll get a notification and I'll tend to you. For now, do have a good weekend. And Mavera is out. And the music is back.